Tails. Tails. Oh. What happened? What happened to you?
Squid Games. Hey, chill. I'm still gonna get drunk tonight. You know that's not gonna change anything.
I'm firing you.
Unemployed?
Let's go.
You're addicted.
Sonic, you said you had a Delph. This is not a Delph. What the f is happening?
And I'm good at trimming mustaches, and your hair looks very bad right now, so please let me
You know what? You don't have to speak anymore. Just come inside. What the?
Here's the thing. My parents died, and then my dog died, and look, I might...
Oh, Hector, what you doing over there?
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm gonna go to bed. Bye. What?
Okay, don't leave. We should play another game, and I'd really like it, because if you leave, that'll remind me of my parents leaving me.
Fine. Drama, whatever.
Delph, look at even a Delph. He's a Delph! He's not even him!
Hey,
What's going on?
Yeah, that's what I did. Girl, no, shut the... No, girl,
I'm still working out these problems, sir.
Wait. So you're like...
Why is he playing My Chemical Romance?
Yo, please, can you...
I don't want to do this anymore,
stop
bro.
From going to the island, destroying the fortress and stuff. I know I created it.
Let's go.
I know you're addicted to porn, but yeah, thank you.
I'm surprised.
Hey. Anyways, you need to go push that button and that button, but like at the same time and like...
Okay, let's go, guys. Hurry up. You get your going. We're going to the mall. Eggman, you go try to distract the robot. Me and Tails are hitting the switches.
I need a monster.
No.
Random wires will do something.
Push.
Damn, a button. Wow.